Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. It's so glad to have you all here. So, firstly, I will be going into a little bit of recap on my last video. You can go back to check my last video. I made like a trade idea on Friday, last week Friday, as regards the pair I'll be taking this week, right? So, firstly, I talked about GBP right? I talked about GBP where I explained that I explained some of the concepts of using the inducement style of entry, right? That is this similar type of pattern that is drawn here. So after I saw a break here, after I saw a break here, and also here, right? So I think the price action was around this area. I saw that I saw this order block, right? And I also said that the market might, tap into this area, then push to the upside. And that was what it did. So the second phase of where I'm looking forward to my entry is this area, right? You can see GBP has been buying since yesterday. So with that being said, I would just try to follow the trend. Same, just exactly what happened, exactly the drawings of this pattern, a break around this area, just like this, also creating an inducement. An inducement has been created, and I'm looking forward to it to tap into my other block, right? I'm looking forward to something like this to push to the upside. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So that's for GBP JPY. Let's go to USD JPY, my second pair on my watch list, right? So here is GBP, sorry, USD JPY. USD JPY trade. I also talked about this trade. You can also check my YouTube channel. I talked about this trade. Although the trade closed, maybe like the trade took the liquidity, that is the inducement around this area, and tapped into this other block. I didn't take this trade. In fact, I over refined it. I was thinking maybe it would come into the extreme order block, but it didn't. Right, so just tapped into the other block and started pushing to the upside, and now it has tapped into this this zone here, but I don't know whether it has that kind of force to hold the trade, right? I don't know, maybe it has that kind of force to push the trade to the, I don't know if it has that kind of force to push the trade to the downside. If it pushes if it pushes it to the downside, that means I'll be looking forward to this area for my entry. Looking forward to this area for my entries. Same thing applies, just like the other pattern I drew. Maybe it pushes it to the uh, downside. Maybe I'll be looking for this area for the buy, right? But I don't know. I feel it's not going to hold that much weight. I don't know. Well, we'll just see how it goes. But this is where I'm looking forward to take my next buy around this area. Looking forward to take my next buy around this area. So it's just the normal pattern, right? Something like this. Then, and this one will be serving this area that broke structure to the upside will be serving as the inducement that will induce price, right? And now tapping into the price coming to tap into the other block. That is what I'm actually that's what I'm actually looking forward to around this area, right? So it's just a simple mechanics, right? So I'm looking forward to something like this. So thank you guys for staying with me. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Please do well to subscribe as you are watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.